Hi everyone. Today we have with us Ravinder. He's working at EngineerBabu. So let's get to know him and understand how his experience has been at EngineerBabu. Hi Ravinder.
Hi Tanya.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm doing good too. Thank you. So Ravinder, tell us something about yourself. What do you do? How has your experience been at EngineerBabu?
So my name is Ravinder Singh and I'm from Indore, the cleanest city of India. And I love to do swimming. I have played many competitions at different levels and won many medals. And I love to do coding. I think I'm fortunate enough to get paid for something which I love to do. So I'm working at EngineerBabu right now as a Python developer from last 1 year. I heard a lot about EngineerBabu in my college from my classmates and seniors and all. And I was fortunate enough to get a job here. So from last 1 year, the whole world was suffering from COVID, and I was having one of the most productive year of my life just because of EngineerBabu.
Okay, that's great, Ravinder. Can you tell me something about the work culture of EngineerBabu? How has it been for you?
So as I've heard from my seniors, EngineerBabu was exactly the same. It is having the friendly atmosphere which I've heard of, and I've never ever felt like a position hierarchy here. I can directly talk with CEO, like we have seen in other companies that if we need to just contact with the person with upper hierarchy, we need to send mails and all. We can directly talk to with our CEO, the founders, the managers and all. And I learned a lot of things here, the whole development process, the front end, back end development, deployment process. I've learned a lot of things here.
So you talked about 2020 being a very productive year for you, plus you also told that you had a lot of learning in the past year. So can you tell us about your learning curve? How has it been since the past 1 year when you joined?
Okay, so before joining EngineerBabu, I was in logistics domain. And after joining EngineerBabu, I was new to this web and mobile development. So I started with backend development first for mobile and web applications. And later on with time, I got more into the managerial roles like taking interviews, leading the projects and mentoring junior developers and all. So when I get into development, I started with backend development, but I always wanted to learn front-end development also. So I'm learning React.js and React Native right now, and I wish to become a full-stack developer in future.
If you have to describe your experience at EngineerBabu in one word, what would that be?
Okay, so if I have to describe my experience at EngineerBabu, it would be learn and earn.
That's great to know, Ravinder. So thank you for joining us today. It was lovely to hear your experiences.
It was my pleasure, Tanya. Thank you for having me.